friends, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a sparkly butterfly mobile with my gel press. This magical mobile will look amazing hanging in your window or above your bed. Plus, it's super easy to make. Are you ready? Let's make a butterfly mobile. Queen Alexandra's bird wings are the biggest butterflies in the world, boasting a wingspan of around 27 centimeters, which is about 10.5 inches long. Butterflies have been recorded in fossils dating back to around 40 to 50 million years ago, although their origin is thought to be earlier. Alexander Calder's Lily of Force, a standing hanging mobile made in 1945, sold for $18.5 million, making it the most expensive mobile ever sold. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want to see content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And for more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor. And I'll see you real soon. Bye!